Welcome to Peiupse, Highlights and Action. Standing strong for our members. In this video, we look back on some of our most impactful wins, bold campaigns, and how we've stood firm in the face of challenges, all rooted in the goals of our strategic plan. As part of our strategic vision, Peiupse is committed to sustainability in action. That's why we've installed solar panels at our Charlottetown office, reducing our carbon footprint, cutting operating costs, and setting an example for public and private sector workplaces across the island. Peiupse is raising its voice, clearly and confidently. We've made it a priority to strengthen our presence in the media. It's about bringing attention to the real issues our members face: unsafe workloads, staffing shortages, the need for better wages, and the future of public services. In late 2024, Peiupse conducted a comprehensive survey to understand the prevalence of harassment, bullying, and violence in our workplaces. The response was significant, with 18.6% of our membership participating, 77% of whom were women, showing tremendous courage in sharing their experiences. Peiupse has been vocal about its opposition to the growing use of private agency nurses in our healthcare system. We've raised the alarm about the high cost of these agencies, costs that far exceed what it would take to support and retain full-time public healthcare workers. Peiupse is calling for real solutions, investments in permanent public sector staff, better working conditions, and a solid plan to phase out private healthcare agencies. Our message is clear: public healthcare should be for people, not for profit. While Peiupse continues to stand strong against the privatization of public services, our commitment doesn't stop at the workplace. It extends into the heart of our communities, because supporting Islanders, whether through strong public systems or direct community support, is what Peiupse is all about. Over the past 40 years, our members have donated more than $250,000 to local nonprofits through the Peiupse Has a Heart campaign. This year alone, we donated over $12,000 to 15 incredible nonprofit organizations. Peiupse understands that unions play a vital role in helping others and strengthening our communities. And building a strong community starts from within. Peiupse is proud of the vibrant union family we fostered, one that connects members not just through the workplace, but through shared experiences and celebrations. From barbecues in Bloomfield to sleigh rides in Bonshaw, these events bring members and their families together in meaningful ways. We also had a blast at the Peiupse Golf Tournament and Family Fun Day, and participating in parades across the island shows our spirit and solidarity. These moments remind us that unions aren't just about bargaining and benefits, they're about belonging. Building strong communities also encompasses our dedication to lifelong learning. Through our bursary and scholarship programs, we support members and their families in pursuing higher education. Our commitment to education is further exemplified by members and their families like Andy Reardon, who won the National Brian Fudge Memorial Scholarship, highlighting the potential and achievements within our Peiupse family. At our 2024 convention, many of the resolutions brought forward were proposed amendments to our Constitution, proof that our governance is alive and evolving. Strong governance is more than policy. It's the foundation of everything we do at Peiupse. As outlined in our strategic plan, accountability, integrity, and transparency are core values that guide our actions, and these values are rooted in our Constitution, bylaws, and policies. To strengthen that foundation even further, Peiupse recognized the need to modernize how we manage and protect the records that underpin our governance. This led to the launch of the Records and Information Management, or RIM project. We launched the project to create a unified approach to managing, preserving, and accessing our records, ensuring that every decision, action, and voice is securely documented for the benefit of current and future members. We've come a long way at Peiupse, and as we reflect on our achievements and the challenges we faced, one thing remains clear: when we stand together, we move forward. We are focused on building a stronger union and a stronger future for our members, always supporting each other and making a real difference in island communities. We're proud of how far we've come, and even more excited for what's ahead.